Preview. First effect is Angel. First keyframe is 100. Last keyframe is 0. Next is Ripple. First keyframe, Strength 100. Size 100. Speed 100. Last keyframe, Speed 100. Everything else 0. Copy and paste it 3 times or how much you want. This is optional because it's pro. Jitter blur first keyframes, blur 100, strength 100, range 20, rotate 75. Last keyframe, range 12. Duplicate everything for all clips. Motion blur is optional since it's pro. Select everything and make it a compound clip. Select motion blur. Blur 28, blend 7, forward 4 times. There you go. Also free Capcut Pro tutorial soon.